Hi guys. Alright, today we're just gonna show our customers how we have to purchase the CBC licenses. Just recently, TP-Link has just released the purchase of online platform for the CBC licenses. So what I'm gonna do over here is I'm gonna go to my Omada controller. If you already have a controller in place, you can easily log in via its IP address, or if you guys are using software controller, you can just open your software controller as well. Right. Now, once I open my controller-based platform, I have all my different sites. These are all my different physical sites, to be honest. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start two different uh, uh, platforms. So one is adding a new controller and the other one is existing controllers. So if you are new customers adding a new controller, I'll just click on new controller. I need the CBC, which is a cloud-based controller. I'll just click on register. You can either do a setup now or setup later. I'm just going to go through the process of setup now. Right, that will open a new window pane. I'm just waiting for a moment and configure new setup. Right. You can give the controller setup name over here, test controller. You can select your region, that's United Kingdom. Select your time zone. Right. This is important for device account, username and password. I'm just gonna give it as admin and admin. Right. I accept the terms. Oh, just another part. Right. If I go back on the configuration, if you're adding a new one, you can even restore from a backup file. Right. So what we are doing over here is we are configuring a completely new setup. I can just give the application scenario. Now, do keep in mind the application scenario is not a big deal. It doesn't affect the configuration in any way. So I'll just keep it as Office. Click on Next. Now, what you can do over here is you can add new devices with their serial numbers, or what you can do is you can add it on the later stages as well, and you can just skip the configuration from here. Now, the next page is we activate the cloud-based controller. Again, we can skip it and do it on a later stage. Or if you guys need, you can just click on purchase license. Once you click on the purchase license, you will get this particular page. Choose your license. You either get the free trial is now uh, not in service because we already have the payable amount of cloud-based controller. So the free trial you won't be allowed to use the free trial anymore. So you click on get started. You fill up your billing information, your credit or debit card information, and it's all good to go. Once you click on that, you have you will get this page. Have you completed your purchase? If yes, if not yet, whatever. Right. And when you purchase the licenses, your license information will appear over here, and click I'm gonna click skip because I did not purchase the license on mine, but I'm just trying to show how you can do it. Right. Skip. You can configure your SSID, your Wi-Fi SSID, or you can skip it as well, and it's just gonna give you like successful. It's gonna add how many routers, switches, or access points you have. Right. This is the overview. I'm gonna skip this part. It's gonna give you what the new version is about, what new features we have added to the new version of the CBC. That's the SDN new SDN platform. Right. And if you want to see the number of licenses you have, you can see them on the license platform. It will give you in depth how many licenses you have. Right. I do have 10 unactivated licenses, which I have not done. Right. And that's the overall. Now, for customers who already have a CBC installed, what you can do is you just need to launch it, or you can do it from your software controller as well, or put your IP address of the software controller. Once you log in, again for this, I don't have any access points or switches in place. This is a live setup, but this is just on my demo setup. Again, if you want to purchase new licenses on your existing CVC, directly click on license. And as you can see, these are my unactivated licenses that I have, which I need to apply to our new TP-Link office. And what you can do is you can just click purchase license again. So pretty simple and straightforward. Again, click on get started. You put your billing information. Once the billing information is completed, you can mention how many licenses you want to purchase, right? And then it will come in your portal over here how many licenses you have purchased, and those licenses, license key, you will need to apply them on your devices. So your devices will be listed over here, and then you can just apply it to those devices. Say for example, if I have 5 devices, or if I have 10 devices, the devices I'm talking in particular are access points or switches or routers, I can apply those particular licenses for these devices. You can also click on auto renew if you want if you want an auto renew. And the application is so easy to use that, say for example, if you have 5 licenses for a period of 1 year, when your 1 year is about to expire 30 days prior, it will send an email notification to your admin or your system integrator that, okay, hey, your licenses are getting expired, right? Or you can even do auto activation. So, right, so that's it. And you can also give license usage history. It will give you all the devices which has a history of the licenses that you have used, right? And you can unbind them as well. You can activate. So it's pretty straightforward. Pretty straightforward with the graphical user interface. Right. Thank you.